guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And today is our first video of us doing a Halloween makeup look. Now, I plan on doing Pennywise, but not like full-on white contacts in like a cute Pennywise. I've been seeing this everywhere. I have not seen the person who has actually like created it because Pennywise was a thing last year and this year, so I just thought it would be cool and we're going to try it out because I did a clown last year or 2 years ago. I didn't do any Halloween makeups last year. So if you guys want to see me turn into a like cute Pennywise, then keep on watching. So we are going to be starting off with the Farsali Liquid Glass drops. I'm only going to be putting a little bit on, but I'm just going to be rubbing this around. Oh shoot. I put on a Jeffree Star lip scrub before because anytime I plan on putting lipstick on, I will put that stuff on so that it helps moisturize my lips. Next we're going in with the Milk Makeup Hydra Primer. Hydra Grip. We're only putting a small, like we're not putting a big amount on. So I am curious as to what are your guys' Halloween plans. I think, well I don't think, I know, but my boyfriend, if you guys don't know, his name's Jonathan, is going to be out of town the week of Halloween, so he might be home in time, but he might not be. He's gotta go to like a class for school. So we have this all on. We're gonna be going in because I'm pretty sure I got to this palette. Yeah, we're going in with the NARS Radiant Foundation in the shade Fiji. I love this foundation. This foundation is amazing, and I'm already this pale, guys. Once I had my cousin's wedding, I just stopped tan. The Jouer one is a little bit darker, so we're gonna be going with that one. We're just going to be applying this a little bit and obviously applying it to where we normally put our concealer. I'm taking our beauty blender and blending this in. Okay, now we're going to be taking our Jeffree Star setting powder. If I can open it, and we are going to be setting our face with that. Alright, so you guys are zoomed in now, and we are literally doing the most basic eye look ever. It's not like basic, but it's colors. It's a color because it's only one shade that I would not normally use. We are going literally straight for this black shade right here. This is called the Fast Lane, and we are literally taking a big fluffy brush and we are just going to be applying this all over the lid and the crease. I also have a packer brush that we will be using a little bit later, because once we get what I want it to look like. So it's literally what it looks like. I'm going to be taking a packer brush and grabbing more of that black and packing it on so that it's not patchy. And we're taking the brush that we used again and just blending it. Okay, now that I got that, we're going to be taking a loose pigment. This is in the shade The Scorpion by Kathleen Lights, and this is red, and I thought that this would fit for Pennywise. We are taking another packing brush, and we are going to pack on this pigment. And we are going to pack it on the center of the lid. Like that. And that is what that looks like to deepen it up. And we're going to be taking our black brush that we used, and we're just going to be blending the edges. So what I am going to do is I am going to take a clean brush and literally just take off these little red dots. But my thing is that if they got on my face anywhere, that it would be okay, because we're doing Pennywise. So I am now going to do my eyebrows. I do them with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Now we are actually going to bronze up the face. So this is the Smashbox Holidays palette, and I am just going to do what I would normally do for makeup. Just to give us some color. Because now that we are getting this pale, we need that color. I take my brush and blend it. Now we are going to do our mascara in that now. So first I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and we're just using this black Clinique eyeliner. We are now doing our lashes. So we have that done. Now we are going to highlight our face real quick. We are using the Jeffree Star Brain Freeze palette, and we're gonna go in with Frozen Fruit. I think that'd be perfect because it's a pink. And look at how pigmented that is. All right, now we are going to set the makeup right now so that it doesn't go anywhere. All right, so now we're going to get into the actual face painting portion. So we're gonna be taking our Wet n Wild paint palette. We're gonna be using this red shade right here. And this is a painter's brush. I know it's super long, but we're gonna use it. I'm just gonna hold the tip right here for it to be precise. So I'm just taking the palette and getting some paint on it. And we're gonna go from the corners and make his thing that he has, smile kind of thing. So I'm about to get real close to my mirror. And that's how we are starting it, with this line. And that is how we are getting it to look, and we are going to thicken it up a little bit. So I just want to show you guys what this looks like. And then he has it go above his brow. And then it comes to like a little point. I don't know why I just said like. Okay, I'm just putting a dot where it would be. And it's like this. And we're just gonna make it come up more to a point. like that. And now I'm going to do the other side off camera, and I'll come back when I do the lip. All right, so we are back. I look a little crazy right now, but I'm going to put the lipstick on right now, but I can't decide what I want to do. I'm thinking we should do Jeffree Star's Poinsettia or maybe Wifey. I think we need to do Poinsettia because it's got glitter in it. I feel like it would look cute. So that's what we're going to do. I should line my lips first. We were so prepared up to this point. We're taking the Kylie lip liner in Mary. Does anyone else's lip liners do this? Whatever. We're going to line our lips. It's like the thing's broken. Here's like one annoying thing. I have tiny upper lips compared to my bottom lip. Like super tiny. Now that's lined. We can go in with Poinsettia by Jeffree Star. I also think to like darken it up a little bit that we're gonna do a bit of Wifey from his family collection in the center. And I actually just ended up putting that all over. We're gonna clean up the edges a little bit of the lipstick. We're gonna let it dry, and then we are going to add a shade on top. But while we're letting that dry, we are gonna go into blood sugar, and we are going to set our red Pennywise look. Okay, so we're gonna be going in with the shade Prick right here. And I don't know what happened with my little brush. I'm using this type of brush. And this, we're just going in where it was and packing it on so that it sets itself. And we just set that because we just dabbed it on. It didn't take too long. And this is what it's looking like so far. It actually looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. And the shade that we're gonna be putting on top of the lips is also going to be that Scorpio pressed pigment because it is a red. I feel like it literally would be perfect. This is the brush we use. We're gonna take, I'm actually gonna put some in the cap. Oh, that was way too much. Actually, I could just take one of his eyeshadows out of blood sugar. Yeah, no. I got the shade I'm looking for that this red does. Literally have it on my finger. And I'm just patting it in. And that's just to doll it up a little bit. All right, so I know I forgot to do a clown nose. I'm an idiot. Taking our red again. And we are going on the tip of our nose and making a circle. Taking that red we used and we are setting it. And now that looks way better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Click the notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. And hit the subscribe button and join the fam because we're going to be doing more Halloween looks. Halloween's like one of the greatest times of the year for makeup wise. It's awesome. I know I look insane, but I don't know what else to say. So if you guys want to see more Halloween looks, then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.